Hi, this is Paulo Vitor, and I'm now presenting you my implementation of Commerce, which is project 2 of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So here we have our index page in which we can see all the active listings that are recorded in our database. And now I'm going to create a new listing. So I'm just putting in some data that I have. And here we go. So here we have our new listing that has been created. Here we have a button with the option to add it to our watch list. We have an image. Since this user was the one who created the listing, it has a button to close the auction and a place here for comments. So going back to the active listings, we can see here that our listing is already there. Now checking for this one, which is a listing that was not created by this user. We have here a place where the person can place a bid that needs to be at least higher than the previous bid, otherwise you'll get a message error. So I'll put a higher value and I'll place a bid. Here we go. We have the current bid being the highest one. We had a comment and we can say those. And here we can see that the comment has been placed, has been posted actually. So we can also add it to a watch list, for example. And the last part about listings is that if we are on a closed page and we have the highest bid, there is a message that we won the auction. Great. So we can see the watch list in which we currently have this one. We can also remove it and we see it's no longer there. So one more feature we have is the categories. We have a list of different categories here in which each category has a link that we can go to a page with all the listings for that specific category, or no listings if there wasn't any. So here we have our one that we are winning. For the listings, of course, we created a few models. One model for the listings, one for the bids, and one for comments. And I have also decided to create another model for saving the categories. So I believe that's pretty much almost everything. The last thing I have is the admin page. In which the admin can control and change any information from the database, from users to listings, comments, categories, and bids. So that's pretty much it. So this is Commerce, and that was my presentation.